everyone. It's January 9th. Alan is 1 year and 3 weeks old. And we are learning to master the fork. Keep doing it. Yeah. Good fork skills, Alan. Have anything you want to say to all your fans? Yeah. Balancing things on forks are good too. Say bye-bye, Alan. Bye, babe.